Welcome to Module 2. In this module, we will be focusing on several different aspects of writing. 4 of the key things you will find in the readings is focused on different variety of genres, different purposes for writing, how you can attack different writing assignments in your classroom, and also looking at various writing styles. One of the key things I want you to really focus on is looking at how we can use modeling and mentor texts in our writing, thinking about how you can start connecting reading and writing together, even in your content areas. One of your resources that you will be looking at is a blog excerpt from NCTE, which is the National Council of Teachers of English. And in here, they even give a lot of different examples of picture books that can be used for mentor texts, and even separate them out with some poetry and different ideas that you can start to explore. I also want you to think about the complexity of genre. One of the articles that you'll read focuses a lot on this. They talk about how genre is not, simple, how linguistics look at it, how, it is viewed in education and with just literacy as a whole. And so I want you to start thinking about the different genres that you are responsible for teaching and how you prepare students to write with different writing styles depending on the different genre. The other thing I want you to think about is reading. I want you to start exploring the idea of how reading and writing is really interconnected. One of the articles that you'll read talks a lot about this, and they even say that reading is the first step in becoming a better writer. And sometimes we forget this, and we forget that reading and writing have this intertwined connection, and we see them as separate things. So I want you to think about your lessons and think about how exactly these two things work together. And then the last thing that you're going to focus on are your own assignments. I want you to consider exploring various resources. You'll even do this in one of your assignments. I want you to find exemplar lessons, and then just as we do with anything, you need to then make them your own. We know that we cannot just pull something off of the internet or out of a book that we have found and just drop it into our class. We need to think about our students and think about how it will match their learning styles and the needs of your individual class. So make those lessons your own. And of course, continue thinking also about how the role that digital literacy plays in your assignments. So I hope you enjoy this module, and I hope that you gain some new insights that you can put into your lessons.